You guys, it's Saturday, Vlogtober day 18. It's pretty outside, and I'm about to hit a few corners. That's what I'm about to do. See you when I see you. What's up, my low riders? I am out. We came to eat at Baby Stacks. Last week I was at Baby Stacks too, so y'all know that it be giving. It gives, okay? So I'll be back to show you guys my food, you know, once I get my food. Okay. Out of 10. Went to the Nellis Auction, but I did not record. I will show you my items when I get home. She done pulled out her dominoes, you guys. She said it's about to get raw up in here. Can I go out that way? Yeah, I can.
Nuh-uh. You gotta go this way.
That's who.
So the rules. Gotta be 13.
Yep.
Think long, you think wrong.
Shut up. Study long and study wrong. Okay, you guys, I am back from the Nellis Auction. Let me show you guys what I got. Cute little pajama set. You could even wear this out. Shoot, this might get worn out. Cute. Cute, see. A little pajama set. And then I saw this cute little shirt that I can wear with some of the white linen pants. With a cute white bag. And oh, I got these balloons. My granddaughter's birthday is coming up. Oh, what's this? I want something else in here. Y'all, let's see what's in here. What's this say? Oh, well, she's not 6 or 9, so. But, let's see. There's a bunch of little stuff in here. I guess this is tape. I don't know what this is. I guess that's to blow up this number 9. What's this? This is more tape and then the strings, the streamers. Oh, cool, because I was going to go buy some. I thought we were going to need some. That, I'll put this little man. He's going to turn 9. I'll wear some next year. And I got these. I've been wanting these. Want some of these. And then when I saw them there, I got them. Oh, this is cute. Well, what did this come off of? What is this? This is its own thing. Y'all know what this is? That's cute. Look at this. With this one. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. And this one. And I don't even know what this thing is. Can somebody tell me what this is? I don't know. But shoot, I don't know what this is. But it goes with it, so yeah. And then all the stuff that I just showed you was $6. So now let me show you guys the other stuff. Hold on, guys. Okay. Child found hair in the bin. And let's see, it said it was, when I scanned it, it was, maybe the number's on here, let's see. 28 inch, 24 inch, which is 26, yep, 26, 24, and 28. And it said it runs with some human hair. And it even had the little cap that come with it. Let me see what's going on in here. Oh my goodness, you guys. This hair feels good. Use these for highlights. Or something, you guys. A ponytail or a wig. If they, I wish they had, it would be real cool if they had a closure piece. Or a frontal to go with this. But hey, it'll do good for some highlights in here. I could always color it. And that is that for my little express pen. Everything's $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It came for $30 something dollars. Everything was $6 each. And I just have my meat is defrosted. I'm about to marinate these steaks and call it a day. Put this back in here for now. And that's that. I will get back with you guys when I'm done seasoning the steak. So one. Here's another one. I have my chicken right here. Defrosting a little bit more, and we're gonna grill it. Okay, my lords, let's get ready to season this steak. I always start with clean meat. I washed it off, then dried up all the excess water, poking holes in it now. And after I poke the holes in, I like to put some lemon juice in it because lemon juice is a natural tenderizer. So yeah, I'm doing that. And then I also like to put some Worcestershire sauce because after the holes are poked in it, that lemon juice and that Worcestershire sauce gives a good flavor. And that's my Texas seasoning. It's sweet and spicy. It's not too sweet, not too spicy. Some garlic powder right there. Looks like a lot, but it's really not. Yeah, I have to get the butter, you guys. That butter on there, and then put the total seasoning on there. Rub that butter in there. And butter is also what makes it tender. I'm going to turn it over and repeat the same thing that I did on the other side. Okay, you guys, the crazy part is I seasoned this meat and then my son was going to cook it. We were going to grill it outside, but we didn't. Now it's time to season the chicken. And with the season, I use garlic powder. seasoning salt, accent. I put a little bit of Worcestershire sauce in there also. Mix it all together, and I let that sit in the refrigerator until it's time for us to cook it. But what I was saying is there's the Lowry seasoning salt. And then you see the I can even see with the accent. And then I'm gonna hit it with a little bit more accent. And then some smoked paprika. Just mix it and mix it and mix it. Now I gotta tell you guys something. What's the last thing? We're gonna put a little bit of Worcestershire sauce there too. I seasoned all this meat up, and then I left home. Came back. We didn't even cook it.
He's having his mommy put gel in his hair. How cute.
Oh, Prince, are you having your mommy do your hair, Prince? Oh, look at that, he's doing his hair. All right.
I can't really see.
You guys, look at my grandson. Isn't he handsome? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Oh, you're nervous, huh? Look, yes, you are nervous. Look
Oh
at
my
you.
goodness!
He act the same way we do a solo. He nervous.
It's okay to be nervous. Have fun. Are you gonna dance?
Where's alcohol at, Prince?
I don't have any check in here too. Make sure you take my weed.
You got my weed in here?
Oh,
Okay.
that's just.
Yeah, okay.
And that's my daughter-in-law. And there goes Princess.
Yeah, same
Princess,
way.
does Prince look handsome?
You look pretty?
He does?
You look pretty. Yeah, I guess.
Boys are handsome, girls are pretty.
Yeah, you walk the same way you walk out the house, the same way you come back in.
Okay.
Yeah, so if I see you stumble, you were drinking. You sparked the fire.
Oh my God. Okay, my lords, thanks for watching the video all the way to the end. If you made it to the end, and if you made it to the end and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting on? Subscribe. And you guys, I'm so sorry we did season that meat. We did not cook it. We will cook it tomorrow, and you will see it in tomorrow's vlog.